Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. In this video, we're talking about half circle inputs on Hitbox. Let's get started. Alright, to kick things off, it seems like a lot of people are having issues with a half circle input on a Hitbox for Guilty Gear Strive, with the reveal of Gold Lewis's moveset, and a lot of people aren't happy about it. Now this video I'm going to try to make short and sweet just to show a few different ways to do that half circle input. So I've got Guilty Gear Strive up and running in training mode behind me, and for this tutorial I'll be using an actual Hitbox. Now these steps will work with pretty much any all button controllers out there, and before we get started here I want you to remember two different things. Number one, you're improving your skill, you're getting better at the game, so enjoy it and be happy. Number two, you're learning something. Be patient, sometimes it takes a bit to get it right. The biggest issue I've seen people make on Hitbox trying to do a half circle motion is holding down the first button a little bit too long. If you hold down this button too long, it completely screws up the rest of the motion. And I'll show you exactly what I mean here. I'm going to do a half circle forward and I'm going to hold down the back button a little bit too long. And what ends up happening here is you can see it's missing downright every single time. It's not connecting at all, so the game's not registering a half circle at all here. Here's a half circle backward holding this first button too long, and again, it's not registering as a half circle back. By holding down that first button too long, what ends up happening is all three buttons get held down for a split second, then the SOCD cleaning picks up and ruins your input. To fix this, it's really simple and straightforward, but it does take some time. Head on over into training mode and just focus on hitting that half circle. Don't worry about combos here, don't worry about supers, don't worry about anything. Just start out slow, make sure you're consistent, and then work on speeding things up. I also recommend practicing both directions. Don't just get stuck on practicing one direction only. You have to be able to attack on both sides. And just for some fun here, you should be able to do a half circle pretty consistently just with one finger. The hitbox is really simple. Now for a half circle up or a half circle down, if you hold on to a button for a little bit too long, again, it's going to screw up your entire movement. So just try it and be slow and be patient. Now for me, for a half circle up or down, I like to use my right thumb as that jump button, and that really helps me focus on movement. But anyways, that is all I've got for this video. Just some simple and straightforward tips. If you want to see more of these, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, leave a like. If you didn't like this video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button, check out my other videos. Thank you everyone, take care.